Empire Industries is focused on 3 market segments, both in Western Canada and in global markets, all of which are growing rapidly. The company's organized in 3 business segments. The first business segment is media-based attractions. The second segment is hydrovac truck manufacturing or engineered products. And the third segment is steel fabrication and installation services. Dynamic Structures is the precision manufacturing company. So what we're doing is the high-end jobs, the innovation. We have some of the best engineering talent in the world. We're very pleased about being awarded the project to build the enclosure for the 30-meter telescope. We've been working on that for over 10 years, and it's a huge win for our company and a huge win for Canada, what will become a world-class icon. We have to collaborate with what it is the scientists are saying they want to accomplish and how they want to accomplish that. Dynamic Attractions is the company we created to design and produce the best media-based attractions that we've come up with and are taking to market. We build the most iconic rides, the ones that bring people to parks. The attractions themselves are sold out of Canada, will continue to be sold out of Canada and designed out of Canada, manufactured in large part in Canada, procured and quality managed. But ongoing, the capacity to build more rides more quickly is limited if we leave it all to the relatively small manufacturing facility in Canada. It requires a firm view on where your value proposition lies. Interestingly, just made that evolution now into what I call phase 2 of our media-based experience, and that is where we're providing more of those project management services needed to wrap the integration of the storytelling and the movie making, along with the equipment and the audio visual and the total experience. And that's just the nature of this new business, is that you have to do all things well. The second business segment that we're involved in is manufactured products, specifically hydrovac truck manufacturing. The end use of the specialized truck is excavation services, and it's safe excavation. It's a different way to dig than a backhoe or a front-end loader. What we use is high-pressure water and then a vacuum to remove the debris, and this is the best way to dig in those environments. The third segment is steel fabrication and installation. We've been in that business for over 60 years. Oil sands, high-rises, and architectural structures. We wanted to differentiate our services in steel fabrication, both in Western Canada and globally. They're market niches that are going to have sustainable growth going into the future, and our companies are being deployed in all of those markets, setting us up with new opportunities for future growth. Roughly 2/3 of the middle class will be in Asia, South Asia by 2030. So the middle class in China is growing very quickly and will continue to grow for the next couple of decades. The need to create a company in China was to help deal with the fact there's over 50 amusement park developments underway. The middle class is looking to have some fun. We're big exporters of fun, and the talent needed to make that fun happen safely. Innovation is in our core. Reliability is another adjective that describes what we do and how we do it. And one of the reasons that we continue to work for the Disneys and Universals of the world is because of that reliability. That precision has been embedded into our psyche, and that precision isn't because we're high-cost producers, because we produce to a different level of quality. And we find in the entertainment business that quality, like the telescope quality, is something you shouldn't compromise on. Our rides last for a very long time. Some of the first rides we built on the media-based side still are operating today with lineups of over an hour long. When that's done right, they can last and get tremendous returns for the owners. Our motto in our company is anything you dream we can build. And the facilities here in China and back at home in Canada and about to be expanded in the US do all that.